Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a two-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete two-way slab using working stress method for office use with clear span of 5,500 mm by 3,500 mm and assumed thickness of 100 mm. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 4000 psi, main bars 12 mm bar grade 33, case number 1 for panel design. The load for 4 inches thick slab is 50 pounds per foot. An office live load is 50 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot and partition is 20 pounds per foot for a total load of 140 pounds per foot. We use Case 1 panel design. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S6. Case 1 panel design. Longer span 5,500 mm or 18 feet and 1 inch. Shorter span 3,500 mm or 11 feet and 6 inches. Slab thickness 100 mm or 4 inches. Main bars 12 mm or half-inch diameter bar, grade 33, strength of concrete 4000 psi, and total load of 140 psf. Given Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fs equals 18,000 psi, the balanced section properties are as follows: N equals 8.044, K equals 0.446, J equals 0.851, R equals 342. The ratio M is 0.636. Moment coefficient for short span is 0.06 through interpolation and 0.033 for long span. Proceed to flexure and slab thickness. With a total load of 140 pounds per foot, shorter span of 11 feet and 6 inches, moment coefficient at short span of 0.06 and 0.033 at long span, we get negative moment at shorter span of 13,330.8 inch-pounds, positive moment at 9,998.1 inch-pounds, negative moment at longer span of 7,331.94 inch-pounds, positive moment at 5,498.96 inch-pounds. Choose the largest moment value for an effective depth of 1.8 inches. Total depth is 3 inches. Use 4 inches as minimum. At short direction, given negative moment equals 13,330.8, positive moment equals 9,998.1, Fs equals 18,000, J equals 0.851, and D equals 2.8, the area of steel for negative moment is 0.31 square inch, with spacing of 7.5 inches, and the area of steel for positive moment is 0.23 square inch, with spacing of 10 inches. At long direction, given negative moment equals 7,331.94, positive moment equals 5,498.96, Fs equals 18,000, J equals 0.851, and D equals 2.8, the area of steel for negative moment is 0.17 square inch. Use ACI minimum of 0.2 square inch with spacing of 12 inches. And the area of steel for positive moment is 0.13 square inch. Use ACI minimum of 0.2 square inch with spacing of 12 inches. The short direction shear force is 696.48 pounds, with shear stress of 20.73 psi, less than concrete capacity of 69.57 psi. The long direction shear force is 536.67 pounds, with shear stress of 15.97 psi, less than concrete capacity of 69.57 psi. The short direction bond stress is 155.48 psi, while the long direction bond stress is 143.46 psi, both less than concrete capacity of 500 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 4000 psi. Fs equals 18,000 psi. Dimension is 5,500 millimeters by 3,500 millimeters. Thickness is 100 millimeters. Short direction bars of grade 33, 12 millimeter bar at 250 millimeters on center. Bent up alternate at S over 4 plus 2 extra top bars at continuous edge. Long direction bars of grade 33, 12 millimeter bar at 300 millimeters on center. Bent up alternate at L over 4 plus 1 extra top bars at continuous edge. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.